Hey foodies, wagwan wagwan. So I posted a snippet of this curry chicken and everyone wanted the recipe. So here goes. This is like recreating my most popular video on YouTube. It's almost at 500,000 views, so guys, go check it out. So I have 3 large chicken leg quarters. I love using that for my curry chicken. I removed the skin completely and I just chopped it up into like 2-inch pieces. And of course, I cleaned up my chicken and washed it off camera. That's totally up to you. We're gonna season with all the ingredients down below. I went in with my potatoes, carrots, and onions. I would normally use bell pepper, but I need to do a little bit of grocery shopping. Also guys, I normally add ginger. Ginger makes such a difference, so if you have ginger, throw a piece in there. Also guys, I cook curry chicken so different every time. Not every time I add my potatoes and carrots in while seasoning. It depends on the mood, so if you want to save it for later, go ahead, but I think it soaks up the seasoning and it's more flavorful. Of course, I'm gonna burn the curry in just a little bit of oil. I like to use different curries, so I normally season with the Beta Pak. For all my Jamaicans, if you know, you know. And then when I'm burning the curry, I normally use this other brand. I add my garlic while the curry is burning and let it do its thing for around 2 minutes. Then I go in with the chicken, sear all sides for around 5 minutes. I normally do 2 batches. I remove the chicken, then I add my potatoes, carrots, give that a nice little sear, add back my chicken to the pot, cover it, and let it produce its own juices. After around 15 to 20 minutes, I like to go in with just a little bit of hot water or chicken stock, beef stock, and of course we re-season, taste as we're going along, and I cook for like an additional 15 minutes. But this is my quick go-to curry chicken that I have at least once a week. The full recipe can be found on my YouTube channel.